So Doctors' Day, mainly it is a day to comply, acknowledge the human services, the services, wonderful services, the doctors, the physicians, they have rendered for the patients, for the community, for the people. So that is the main aim of essence of observing the Doctors' Day. So Doctors' Day is invariable that it is celebrated in the world because all countries are not celebrating it. And they are celebrating, those who are the country who are celebrating, they are in separate, celebrating in separate days. जैसे वो लोग का अपना अपना कोई थीम के बेस on that, so they celebrate it. So for us, the 1st of July is a National Doctors' Day because this is the birthday of late Bidhan Chandra Ray. He was a student of RK Mission, Kolkata. So, because why his day is his date of birth is being celebrated as Doctor Day because it is to commemorate him also because he was a politician, he was a freedom fighter, he was a philosopher and multifaceted doctors, and he could even smell the disease, patients smell and could diagnose from having that smell from a distance. So he has that much of acumen as a doctor. So the government had decided उसका जन्मदिन को ही डॉक्टर्स डे मनाना है बोलते इंडिया में.
Frontline workers have been facing discrimination. They have been in the social stigma. How are the doctors still going ahead with the fighting the pandemic?
Yeah, doctors have to keep their spirit alive because the doctors are the soldiers for this, frontline workers are the soldiers for this COVID-19 pandemic. So as the soldiers in the borderline, जो फौजी लोग लड़ रहा है देश को बचाने के लिए, तो हम ही उसके लिए my assigned work is to save the life of the people from this COVID pandemic. But इसमें एक बात है कि हमको जैसे आपने कहा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन तो होना अच्छा नहीं है बिकॉज इसमें पीपल को सिटीजन को समझना चाहिए कि वी आर द वॉरियर फॉर दिस डिजीज. इनफैक्ट वो हमको पब्लिक मदद करना चाहिए, सपोर्ट देना चाहिए, दे शुड हैव एम्पैथी. तो उसमें अगर हमारा आम आदमी हमको डिस्क्रिमिनेट करेगा तो हम लोग का मोरल डाउन होगा. तो इसीलिए
Two frontline workers have been tested positive. Can you please tell us more details about it for the primary and secondary tests?
No, that is yes, true. Two frontline worker, but in the media, it is circulated that they are from health, but it's not from health. One is from other sector and one is from health sector. So, because I cannot tell the name, this is my principle that if I tell the name, if I circulate in the name of individual, then it is an invasion of the privacy. So, this is what I mean, my personally feeling also. It is a legal thing that we should take care of, that nobody's name should be in the media, and then at the same time, we know the stigma, the myth of the society, जो लोग का fear है, जो as you have said, the discrimination, जो discrimination जो होता है, तो उसमें वो आदमी का नाम मैं बता दूँ, his life may be in danger. So it is always our prerogative that we should protect that individual also.
So as you have also mentioned, one from the health department has been tested positive. Are there not enough resources to for the security of the doctors, for the frontline workers? Are there not enough resources?
Enough resources, देखिए, from our manpower, as we have time and again we have been saying that manpower का हम लोग का हर जगह में कमियां हैं. And then also to some extent they're reluctant to go also because our society is very much stigmatizing these issues. So these people, so such issues are there. But otherwise we are always ready, and we have been doing that also. But other part, because I can anticipate your question, other part regarding the facilities, quarantine facilities, that is the perspective of the district magistrate concerned.
So, Doctors' Day is celebrated all over India on 1st July in memory of late Dr. B.C. Roy. And also this is a day to recognize the role of doctors in the society and the contributions that they play in the society. So we also in Arunachal Pradesh, we under the banner of Indian Medical Association have been celebrating Doctors' Day program, and we have tried to bring all the doctors across all over the state, be it in government or private, under one umbrella. And as a united force, we have always celebrated this Doctors' Day to honor the contributions of our doctors, that they play, the proactive role that they play in the society. So this year also, owing to the COVID pandemic, so this becomes more important to sort of recognize the role of doctors during this COVID pandemic fight. So this year, the Indian Medical Association has given a theme to sort of lessen the COVID mortality 19 by a role of, playing a proactive role in treating asymptomatic patients who are hypoxic, and also other aggressive sort of modalities, so that the mortality of COVID cases decreases in the country. So if you see Arunachal perspective, so we have around 191 cases till date, and of that only one has died, and that too because of other comorbidity. So hence we can say that till now in Arunachal no one has died, especially due to COVID, and whatever cases are there, all are asymptomatic cases, and all are doing very well. And and I think with the collaborative approach of all the doctors across the state, be it in the field or in the hospitals or in administrative side, all have worked together, and also with active cooperation from the administration and also from the police department under the able leadership of Pema Khandu sir. So we have been able to contain this disease in our state, and we hope that very soon we will achieve zero status. And I would like to then again request our General Secretary Ori sir also to comment a few lines on this Doctors' Day.
Yeah, Doctors' Day, I would like to, on this occasion, I would like to wish all the doctors across our state a very best wishes on the occasion of Doctors' Day. And this is the day when we should pledge ourselves to re-energy ourselves for the next fight. So the war is not yet over. So I'd like to request all the fraternity to be ready for the next level of war, and I'd like to request them to be safe, to stay safe from their side. Whenever you are in duty, always try to protect yourself and make yourself wear a PPE when you are in encounter with suspected or COVID cases. So in this, our motto is, our team is, as sir said, lessen the mortality of COVID-19. So how we can do this? We have to first try to identify the symptom, and then try to treat it early. So that way we can treat the mortality. And then I would like to appeal to public also, especially those who have comorbidity like hypertension, diabetes, kidney diseases, and other comorbid conditions. They should not come out actually in the public, because if they didn't come out, then the mortality will be less. Because most of the young guys who are returnees, they are asymptomatic because they are young, their immunity is good. And the other one is we should always try to maintain a good immunity to lesser the mortality. We have to take care of our food, we have to do regular exercises, and whenever you have suspected symptoms like a fever, sore throat, and loss of smell, and you have a suspected contact or any travel history, then you should come to the doctors and screen in early. So that way we can lessen the mortality. So today, on behalf of IMA again, I would like to thank all the people who are involved in the COVID fight, especially to our media fraternity also, who all the time ventilate the awareness part and other issues of this COVID fight, and also all the public actually who have been cooperating the IMA as well as the warriors while they are on the duty. So once again I thanks everyone.
मैं सबसे पहले आज नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे पे जितना भी हमारा फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स डॉक्टर्स है आप सबको डॉक्टर्स डे का विश देता है ए वेरी हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। और अभी इसी पेंडेमिक का प्रॉब्लम के बावजूद भी हमारा डॉक्टर्स डे को हम लोग ठीक से मतलब माने नहीं पाए। हम लोग इसी डॉक्टर्स डे का दिन में भी हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं, हमारा डॉक्टर्स लोग अपने जगह जगह में कोविड-19 को कंट्रोल करने के लिए। तो जितना भी यहाँ जो काम कर रहे हैं वो सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और सबको विश देता है अपना फ्यूचर के लिए। और जितना भी जो कोविड-19 में फाइट करते हुए जितना भी डॉक्टर्स और हमारे स्टाफ लोग सारा वर्ल्ड या दुनिया में गए हैं उस सब के लिए भी मैं डाली जो होमेज देता है मेरे तरफ से। और अभी और भी हम लोग आगे और जाके भी बहुत काम करना है। तो अभी हम लोग आज अपना डॉक्टर्स डे मनाने का बावजूद भी हम लोग नहीं मना पाया है, सिर्फ अपना ड्यूटी में जहाँ जहाँ हम सबको इंगेज किए अपना हमारा डॉक्टर लोग अपना जगह जगह पे काम कर रहे हैं। तो उस सब को भी मैं अपने तरफ से अभिनंदन करता हूँ। और मैं आश्वासन देना चाहूँगा हमारा डॉक्टर्स इतना जो पेंडेमिक का सिचुएशन जो इतना तकलीफ का सिचुएशन में भी अपना हेल्थ को केयर नहीं करके जहाँ सब स्टेट में कोविड-19 को स्प्रेड नहीं होना है उसी कारण से काम जो कर रहे हैं उसके लिए मैं तहे दिल से आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और इनकरेजमेंट और मैं भी सपोर्ट देता हूँ आप सबके लिए। थैंक यू।
I really congratulate and wish all my doctors, like who are the frontline health workers, a happy Doctors Day. And it's wonderful feeling, and everyone knows today the importance of you people. You have really given your whole heart and soul for today's whatever we are here today in Arunachal Pradesh, a very safe Arunachal Pradesh. If we are having it today, it's all because of you doctors, and I really wish all the doctors a very happy Doctors Day.